Hey Luke, will you help Uncle Bryan? Good. Step on his back. Will you lift his legs again? Show us how you lift his legs.
Hey everybody, are you ready? Check out
Hey Luke.
no.
Will you lift his legs in the back? Go to Brian's feet. Go stretch his feet. There he goes.
Oh.
Good stretch, Luke.
Oh, stretch. Oh.
Today at 11 on Rocky Mountain PBS. You're having fun and learning on Rocky Mountain.
Good stretching, buddy.